Florence Nightingale, founder of modern nursing. The Crimean War, from 1853 to 1856, exposed the appalling state of military medical care. In 1854, Florence Nightingale arrived in Scutari, Turkey, where thousands suffered. Diseases like typhus and cholera claimed more lives than combat, with death rates soaring to 42%. Nightingale, armed with nursing experience and a vision for reform, faced immense challenges, including resistance from military officials. Undeterred, she rallied her team, including trailblazer Mary Seacole, implementing strict sanitation protocols that transformed the hospital environment. Nightingale's reforms were swift. Within 6 months, the death rate plummeted to just 2%. Her innovative statistical methods, including the famous coxcomb diagrams, not only highlighted the need for reform, but also laid the groundwork for evidence-based nursing. In 1860, Nightingale founded the Nightingale Training School for Nurses, integrating ethical responsibilities into its curriculum. This institution not only trained nurses, but also challenged societal norms. Recognized with the Order of Merit in 1907, Nightingale's legacy endures in modern nursing standards. In 1893, the Nightingale Pledge was introduced during the inaugural graduation of the Nightingale Training School. This solemn vow, inspired by the Hippocratic Oath, established vital ethical standards in nursing, addressing the need for formal guidelines in a rapidly evolving profession. By 1900, the Nightingale Pledge gained global traction, embraced by nursing schools in the USA, Canada, and Australia. This marked the beginning of a unified commitment among nurses worldwide to serve humanity with integrity. The Nightingale Training School revolutionized nursing education by merging hands-on training with theoretical knowledge. Over time, nursing education has evolved, incorporating modern trends like cultural competence and technology. Despite its pioneering framework, Nightingale's model faced critiques for not fully addressing the complexities of modern healthcare. Today, discussions on ethics and patient autonomy reflect an ongoing commitment to progressive nursing education. Florence Nightingale's legacy continues to shape nursing practices and healthcare systems worldwide. Her emphasis on sanitation and data-driven care remains foundational to contemporary nursing standards. Every year on May 12th, the world honors International Nurses Day, commemorating Nightingale's birthday and recognizing nurses' invaluable contributions to healthcare. This celebration serves as a powerful reminder of their dedication to improving health outcomes. In 1912, the International Council of Nurses was founded, inspired by Nightingale's vision. This organization champions nursing standards and policies globally, ensuring her principles continue to shape the profession's future. The World Health Assembly declared 2020 the Year of the Nurse and Midwife, celebrating the significant roles these professionals play in global health. This acknowledgement highlights Nightingale's enduring influence, particularly in underserved communities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content.